In an era where talent alone cannot guarantee success, the true key to standing out lies in forging authentic connections with your audience. Discover how sharing your personal journey and embracing diverse creative expressions can transform your relationship with fans, making it deeper and more meaningful. 1. Personal connection is everything. Share stories. At the heart of making this real connection is authenticity and being open about who you are as a person. Your fans want to know the real you, your stories, your inspirations, the ups and downs you faced. Don't be afraid to share personal anecdotes and the meanings behind your songs. This humanizes you and makes that emotional connection. For example, you could share the story of how a difficult breakup inspired your latest heartbreak ballad. Or talk about how growing up in a certain city or culture shaped your musical style. These glimpses into your world create a sense of relatability that fans crave. 1. Embrace multi-dimensional creativity. While music is your primary art form, exploring other creative outlets lets you show different sides of your personality. Maybe start a podcast where you discuss topics you're passionate about outside of music. Or create visual content like vlogs, short films, or even videos about your other hobbies and interests. These additional creative expressions reinforce that you're a multi-talented, multi-dimensional artist, not just a musician. And it gives your fans even more ways to connect with you on a personal level. 1. Use social media wisely. Social media has made it easier than ever for artists to connect directly with fans. But you need to be strategic in how you use it. Having separate accounts for your personal life versus your music-related posts and promotions can be helpful. That way, you can share behind-the-scenes snippets and daily life musings on your personal accounts to give fans that intimate window into your world. While using your professional music accounts for single releases, show announcements and so on. Just be cautious about oversharing or blurring those personal, professional lines too much, as it can confuse fans. Craft a cohesive, separate voice and strategy for each platform. 1. Actively engage your fans. Most importantly, this connection can't be a one-way street. You need to actively engage with your fans too. Respond to their comments, ask their opinions, maybe even host live Q&As or streams where you can interact in real time. Make it clear you appreciate them as more than just consumers of your music. You're bringing them along with you on your creative journey. Build that sense of community around your artistry. Wrap up. At the end of the day, cultivating this personal connection leads to something really special: devoted, lifelong fans who are invested in you as a whole person and artist. Not just casual listeners who move on to the next flashy thing. So be fearless about sharing your authentic self, explore your diverse creative passions, use social wisely to share your world, and actively engage with your fans. Step into the dynamic realm of the music industry, where understanding the intricacies of record deals, royalties, and advances is essential for any aspiring artist. Join us as we unravel the complexities of this ever-evolving landscape and empower you to navigate your path to success.